Hey guys, here today we have this 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace and take off your rear door panel. So let's start. So okay, let's work on this panel here. It's actually a very simple procedure. What we have to get the screwdriver, flathead, 10mm socket and 7mm socket, okay, and the ratchet. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this cap right here and this lid right here. So I'm taking the screwdriver and just carefully just raising up this rubber piece. Put it right there. And here we have, so with one hand you're gonna pull this and hold, with the other hand you're gonna try to get this plastic out. Okay, try not to scratch nothing. Good. Okay, next step. Remove these two screws or bolts. This one and this one. This is going to be 7, this is going to be 10mm. So just take your ratchets and sockets and just remove them. Alright, I removed both screws, and now what we have to do, we have to unplug the, so basically right now the panel is being held down by clips all around. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start from the bottom. We're gonna try to find some good grabbing point on the panel, like this for example. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna try to just do it solidly. Don't just over force it, because you might just break it. You wanna just pull steadily, nice and easy. Pull it. If it doesn't go, you can also take a screwdriver and pull it like this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just, I'm taking it here on the bottom, I'm pulling it. And if it doesn't go, I'm gonna put in the screwdriver and give a little bit of leverage with the screwdriver, like this. Okay, and then little by little, all clips, because there are clips holding it down, all clips will start popping up. So just little by little, we're gonna remove. I need 2 hands for this. Okay, and the panel goes off just like this. Okay, after we have the panel off, you're gonna okay, now what we have to do, we have to get this link out. How do we get it? From 2 sides. You can play with screwdriver like this, just this, like this. Okay, and then you can remove links. Hope you guys can see it clearly. It's hard to film with one hand. Okay. Remove one link and the second link again. So just like this. One lip, second lip, and get it out like this. Disconnect this connector right here on the handle. Okay, and that's it. You have the panel off. Okay, I'm gonna put the panel here for now. Now when we're gonna put the panel back on, make sure that you have all clips in the panel. So over here I have a clip that didn't come out, so I'm gonna take a screwdriver and carefully get it out from the spot. Okay, and once you have it out, you just want to put it back in place. I think it's missing over here. Okay, so now when we're gonna put everything back, we're gonna do same reverse procedure. Gonna connect the connector. Till it clicks, good. Okay, so the bottom one goes in the bottom. Okay, and it goes like this. Pull it and get it in the hole and push it. Good. That's it. And this one. Same thing. That's it till it clicks. Okay, now let's plug our connector clips in. So little by little, align every clip with hole and carefully just press on them. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, good. Everything is approximately in. Here we have everything good. Here we have good. Okay, no good. Okay, so do it again. Okay, once you have panel aligned, it's time to redo our screws. One here and one here. So 10 mil goes here and 7 mil goes here. Alright, once we have screws back in, one here and one here, just take our lids and put them in. Okay, there goes one lid and the other one. Okay, that's it. And that's it, guys. Okay, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.